Hello, in this video I would like to show you some of the accessibility options within Microsoft products. There are two main things that I'm going to show you. One is how to get your computer to read to you within Microsoft, and the other is to talk to you how you can talk to your computer and have it type for you. So first, I'm in Microsoft Word, and there are several ways in here to, within the Microsoft products, to get these tools active, and I'm going to show you all those ways because I found that depending on if you're in Word or PowerPoint, some of those tools are available one way in one program and another in the other. So in Word, they're available all different ways, so that's why I'm choosing this. So one thing you can do is click on this Customize Quick Access Toolbar button, and then you can choose Read Aloud. This will turn the Read Aloud tool, make it available up here in your Quick Access Toolbar. And now you can simply click where you want it to read and hit that button.
This is a test of the reading functions within Microsoft.
And it reads. So as you can see, I can pause, rewind, fast forward, and I can also change the speed and choose several different voices. So that's one way to get your computer to read to you in Microsoft Word. You can also go to More Commands and change this to All Commands, and you're going to scroll way down to the S's, and you're looking for the one that says Speak. Almost there. Okay, here's Speak. So I select Speak, and then I hit Add, and I hit OK. So I found in my version of PowerPoint, this Read Aloud option wasn't there, so I could add this Speak tool instead. It essentially does the same thing. I click, and I hit the button, and it will speak. Now, with this tool, I have to highlight the text.
This is a test of the reading functions within Microsoft.
So one difference between them is Read Aloud tends to highlight the word as it's reading
This
it,
is a test of the reading functions within
whereas
Microsoft.
this Speak bubble just generally reads whatever you've highlighted. Another way you can do this is you can do the Immersive Reader tool, which can be found by searching for Learning Tools. And here you go, our Learning Tools. You select that, and it changes the view a little bit. And you again, here's the same Read Aloud button, and you click, and it reads aloud, and it highlights as it reads. And again, you have various options that you can change here. So that is how you get Microsoft Word to read to you. Now, you also can go in the online version of Microsoft Word. So I'm in Office 365, so I logged into Office 365 and it opened the same sample document. And if you're in the online version, in this box here, you'll type Immersive Reader, and as soon as you start typing it, it comes up. And this is the reading tool online. It works very much the same way. I hit play. It reads. I have some speed options and voice options here, and text size and other various preferences you can adjust. Now, one extra feature that you can get in this online version is you also can have the Dictate tool turn on. And so Dictate allows you to talk to your computer and it will type what you're saying. So I'm going to give you an example of that right now. This is a test of Microsoft's Dictation tool. So as you can see, it typed what I said. This is a test of Microsoft's Dictation tool. I need to put the period in. I could have said the word period and it would have put that in. Sometimes it makes mistakes and you need to fix it. And some other times it works pretty perfectly. So again, you can turn that Dictation tool off right here, turning this on and off by just clicking the microphone. Once you do that once, you get some setting tools down here, and auto punctuation is an option that might be nice to turn on. And also you can turn it on and off from right there. So again, just to recap, in Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and all these, and Outlook, you can go in and turn on these various features, for example, the Read Aloud or the Speak feature. And you also could search for Learning Tools, and you could turn on the Learning Tools to have the Immersive Reader here. Or you can go online to Office 365 where you can search for Immersive Reader and you can have it read to you, or you can use the Dictate tool to read to the computer and have it type for you, to speak to the computer and have it type for you. So hopefully these features are helpful for you, and can help you in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint and Excel and the Microsoft products. Thank you.